by the way, like when I was interviewing for the South Side, some of the interviews are brutal. They're just like, well, who are you? You know, you're some kid from the middle of nowhere, and like, why should I hire you? You know, and it was just like they cut it off right there. Whereas other people were like, wait, you know, you're a musician and you're a composer and you're trying to do this, and you're like bootstrapping, and like, that's really interesting. Tell me more about it. You know, what do you think? What are your thoughts? With the jiu-jitsu piece, I had interviews. I had guys that actually did jiu-jitsu from New York that would come in and like ask me crazy questions about like maneuvers and like chokes and, you know, joint locks and stuff, like to try to feel out if I was like, you know, full of it or whatever.
Yes, then, yeah.
Yeah, and so you just never know. Like, you know, you have traders that are really interested in the jiu-jitsu piece, and you have like research analysts that are really like cerebral, and they're like, what do you think about when you're composing music or whatever? I mean, you just never know where it's going to go.
Yeah.
So yeah, and I mean, it worked, and I don't think, you know, it's a risk to be direct, but that's the shot. That's the only shot I had. So
it sounds like your interests played a huge role in your interviews.
I think so, because it's what I did. I mean, one thing you'll know about me is that I will chase and pursue what I feel most passionate about.